The California Alien Land Laws of 1913, 1920, and 1923 were a series of laws passed which kept Japanese immigrants from owning land in the state of California, along with other minorities but in smaller proportion. The law stated that aliens who were not eligible citizens once were excluded from citizenship by naturalization laws, or were not permitted between treaties of their home country and the United States, could not own land. On the other hand, anyone who was eligible for citizenship, whether they intended to become one or not, could enjoy owning land just as freely as a U.S. citizen. This was a subtle way to rule out Japanese immigrants because they were often in these categories. If a Japanese person kept land while not allowed to, they were forced out and the property was taken by the state. The enforcement of these laws had a huge toll on Japanese immigrants. By losing their homes and land, their previously built economy and lifestyle of farmers and workers was now torn away from them. Some farmers even bought land in their children's names since they were US-born citizens. Things began to change, however, with the Fuji versus State of California case. Sei Fuji was a Japanese-born citizen who moved to the United States in 1903 at age 21. Due to his background as a Japanese alien, he could not get a U.S. citizenship. A few years later, this seriously affected him when he needed to be a citizen to earn a law license, which he had studied for at USC Gould School of Law. His motives for civil rights activity began here. In 1948, Sei Fuji made his first move against the California alien land laws, which restricted him from owning land. Knowing of this law, he brought property in East LA in protest, where he immediately was met with resistance. His property was ruled to be confiscated by LA County when it was brought to the state appellate court, eventually the state Supreme Court, in 1952. Here, it was finally ruled that the California alien land law was a violation of the 14th Amendment, judging not by citizens and aliens, but by classes of aliens. Fuji's legal battle was long but successful and won rights for Japanese immigrants for years to come. In 1956, Proposition 13 of California completely dismantled the remains of the California alien land laws, ending the battle over 4 decades later.